In this video, I'm going to show you how to split vocals from music in Audacity using a free AI tool called OpenVino by Intel. First, make sure you have the latest version of Audacity installed. Download the OpenVino plugins. You can do that by searching for OpenVino Audacity plugin. Once you have downloaded the setup, simply install it in your Audacity folder. After installing the files, open Audacity. Before you can use these AI plugins, you need to enable them. To do that, simply navigate to Preferences, then Modules. Here set Mod OpenVino to Enabled. After that, simply restart Audacity. To use the Music Separation plugin, open your audio track in Audacity. Highlight the part of the track you want to separate. Go to Effect, then open Vino AI Effects, and select Music Separation. You have two options: 4-stem separation and 2-stem separation. Let's start with the 4-stem option, which will separate the track into drums, bass, vocals, and other instruments. Click Apply and let it process. Once it's done, you'll see 4 new tracks. Play them to hear the separated elements. If you want just the vocals or just the instruments, use the 2-stem option. Select 2-stem separation. This will give you one track with the vocals and another with the instruments. Let's listen to the results.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll make them mine.
The quality is quite good for a free tool. It's not perfect, but it's impressive. It's especially useful for creating backing tracks or extracting music for podcasts. That's it. You've successfully separated vocals from music using Audacity and the OpenVino plugins. If you have any questions or need further help, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.